Marcos from eCPP Auto Parts, here with our upgraded tow mirror built for any 2008 through 2013 Chevy Silverado, Suburban, Tahoe, and Avalanche, in addition to any GMC Yukon and Sierra. Our tow mirror is designed to be manual folding and manual extending. It also has the same base plate, 3-pin mount locations, and OE connector as your vehicle for easy installation. Our tow mirror also has a lower panoramic mirror, a clearance light, and 2 integrated LED turn signals, one on the front and one on the back. Our larger mirror is power adjusted with power heating, with both mirrors having a combined length of 12 inches by 9 inches, and the mirror itself having an overall length of 17 inches when closed. Once extended, it reaches up to 20 inches, maximizing your road safety and visibility. Our tow mirror is designed as a low vibrating, high quality replacement for your stock mirror that updates the look and functionality of your vehicle.